Biafra resistance fighter and Biafra Liberation Army don drop full details say they don send 40 Soludo security men for Anámbra to judgment. No be small thing o, as that one dey talk o. They say that one of the people wey dey say for judgment out of those people for inside Anámbra say one in leg they find the leg o, the other one na the head they dey find. This one shock me o. I say wetin come happen? Abi they come carry the head and the hand come go? Abi they don eat am? I no come know. This one tire me sha. But however, mo go look how this thing take happen. They say that for one hotel, for one club for Anámbra last night, they say no be small thing na happen for that area. Now we come dey lis ten make we know wetin actually happen. But this Biafra Liberation Army now don come outside wey dem dey call Commander Holy Ghost, don finally come outside come explain how everything take happen, how all those men take run. We go play the video for you, but before we play the video, let us find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing. Let's quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. Stay tuned and watch this video with us as this thing dey go on for Anámbra. We dey here to dey bring you update of wetin dey happen.
Soludo did not know the mess he get himself into. Whenever they are entering this agreement with Fulani Canifes, their mind will tell them that the people they want to come and try the shit with are nothing. That is what their mind will always tell them. Oh, go. So anything, will you kill your people for me? They will say yes. Will you give me land for Ruga? They will say yes. Will you allow me to take over your landmark, your farm mark? They will say yes. Will you put me in your view more? Respect every Fulani in your land? They will say yes. Because of power. When you don't say all this year is finished now, come and give them. And come and give it to them now. Now your papa land and your mama land, you won't give them. Because you don't remove your family, go keep in abroad, and your mind is telling you that anyhow where it go be, no one lie. They then can't kill, can't intimidate, and they will be mostly come to kill their mama and kill their papa. And in their mind, they think say we go agree, make him be how he was before, where so that we go come sing. They don't kill our mama part 2. As in Timaya don't sound part 1 now. They don't kill them mama, oh. They don't kill them mama, them papa, them sister, them auntie, oh. Waiting we go do that, do that, do that. That is say we get time. But we can't they sing. They don't kill them mama part 2. No. That time don't pass. You know that go? That time has passed. The errand we dey now be say that thing where you think say you know. You get people where sabi pass you. And that is why we normally ask them, if you know this one. Because waiting we know be say the dead where you carry come. You must carry and go. No a person where they go market, go price market, and they buy market. You think say you go enter Biafra land to price market, one can't leave the market for us. You know they walk. Oh. How you go just go carry children? Like that time where we used to be in primary school, person where pass us, we go just carry stone, they stone them, they run, they stone and they run. That is what your army is doing today. As long as early as to 7, they were already on the ground. No? Just small death, very small death, where they just die. Then run away. Why are they always like this? When I know they ginger them, Soludo, you don't know that you're supposed to they ginger your army. Say, go and finish them. Go and kill them. Go and finish them. And when you say the God of the land is with you, go. You Jesus cover them now. More than 40 was down today. But I'm not happy anyway because I am not happy because their death is not death enough. Their death is not death enough. When you come, as soon as they plenty like that, where una take come? I una for don kukuma dey die reach 100 first now. At least one die, some die. So you get some die where you go die. If person see you pack dead body come, and even if he pity you, increase your money. Una no know so. Una know they know titles to take collect money from government. As you die small now, they no give you the money. If you forsake, like, that's why I like Hope Uzodinma. I like Hope well. Because Hope home, then they die plenty. Hope go come see, come take that one, pity them, come increase the one where they life money. That is to ginger them, say, go and revenge for the death of your people. Make them come die finish. Unlike Soludo, very stupid and idiotic person. How you go just, you know, go ginger them, make them go back. People will come was 7 o'clock. After 8, they don't already they run, they go back. You see soldier where you send work coming back by 8 o'clock. You just look at time. You know if you ginger them. You say, one, I go double the money, give you, go back. You just allow them waste today like that. Only few 40 people. So now only these 40 people where they carry come, where their dead body, waiting that 40 go, their blood go do the ground now. Soludo receive sense. Soludo ginger them. If them no die plenty, no greed them. At the end, you understand that this is the land of our ancestors, that we must go nowhere. We can never move an inch. Believe you me. We can never move an inch. So my people, then just came here to, play a very small play. Then just came to play. The other day, the same thing they did today, or what they did, that was on Saturday now. Yes. The same thing they did today was what they did on Saturday. Then go carry one tipper, hide under the back of the tipper. This men, they sleep. And then they come. And just open fire. Ranting. As men just turn, give them one, boom. Give them two, boom. na so dem just from there they drag their dead body from there turn back. I think say today na to revenge where dem come today na to come revenge. I no know say na the same hit and run. Na the same hit and run. And all do not even reach 1 hour and terrorists. Now what be that? What kind of army when no they feel withstand heat? I mean they no tell them say then they come to die. And then they come Biafra land, their mind no tell them say not to come die. You don't already make up your mind to come and die. Come and die this die once and for all now. Why you they run? Why you they run? You get armor tanker. Why you they run? You get more weapon. Why you they run? You get fighter jet. Why you they run? You get machine gun. Why you they run? Simple question. You they bring so many advanced, according to you, advanced machinery. But the question this evening is why you they run? Yes, now you're not supposed to they run now. Come and fight. Come and pursue us. Come and kill us. Come and kill us. Oh, we know whether now your land we dey. We go know whether now your land we dey. Okay? This is the land of our ancestors. We will never move an inch. Whatever death you think of coming with, carry and come. Now you go die, they die. You go die, that die, yo. You must die, that die. You never see something. You never see something. You never see something. And you think we are here to joke with you? Okay. Come tomorrow. Come next tomorrow. Anyhow where you take come, you must die. Whether you come or you no come, the land of Biafra must swallow all of you. At the end, your children will live to testify the goodness of our ancestors to others. Your children will be the one that will be giving other people warning. Say, you see those Biafra children, those Biafra lad, don't go. Their ancestor, their head no they good too. Their head they destroy, their ancestor head, you know they good. If you temper with their children, they go destroy you. Now then destroy our papa now. Your children go testify that in the land of the living. But you as a father,
people would they hear they bring up death as it they hot. No say as this thing happen in the morning, we could not be able to update it, say see wetin they happen. But a lot of you don't contact us, say I beg go balabas wetin they happen. May you try that us wetin they go on. So now the update be this. May you try to share the video and also subscribe to this channel and also follow our Facebook page. No forget to leave your own opinion for inside comment section. And let's talk about this video for inside that place. Waiting this Biafra Liberation Army talk and waiting happen for Anámbra today.